Godrej Interio Eudora queen size bed with storage, Sonoma oak. Product dimensions: length 205.3 centimeters, width 157.1 centimeters, height 97.8 centimeters. Primary material: particle board. Color: Sonoma oak. Finish: matte. Style: contemporary. Bed size: queen. Assembly required: the product requires carpenter assembly and will be provided by the seller. Warranty: 1 year on product. Added storage: we have made the Eudora bed with a storage big enough to accommodate extra luggage, beddings and all the knick-knacks. Queen size: the bed comes in a queen size because a good night's sleep should never be compromised. The bed is big enough for 2 people to sleep while enjoying personal breathing space. Simple headboard: headrests can take up a lot of extra space, that is why this one comes with a simplistic headboard that adds character with its carved out details without taking up extra space. Classy design: beds stay with you for years. The Eudora bed comes in a classy, evergreen design that will stay relevant. Sonoma oak finish: the Sonoma oak finish gives the bed a superior edge. The light brown color and texture of the finish lend it to multiple decor options. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.